Welcome to the CryptoNest. So today I want to introduce you, I don't think I already did a TA. It's Hot 8 mining. It's something that I acquired a few years ago, I would say. I think it was in 2021. And yeah, I got it about, I think, $1.20, somewhere here. And as you can see, yeah, it kind of exploded, and as you can see, it did reach, I think, $16. Yeah, well, for sure I didn't solve there because that's being just lucky. It's not being good, it's just being lucky, because you can never time the top as you can never time the bottom. So yeah, so I did take some profits around $4, and then after I bought back around 3. Then I got another peak here, and I think at this peak I didn't take any, and then I accumulated a little bit more here around $5, and then I did sell around 10, around 12, and I believe around 14. And after that, well, for sure, the core that I got here at $1 or something, I didn't sold them, and all the rest though I did sell them. And as you can see, it was a good move because we did a very nice corrective movement, and here I acquired more. And once again here also I sold a little bit here, I accumulated more here, and I sold, I think, pretty much of mine around $16 because it was the previous high. And if I recall well, also the RSI, yeah, it was going on the side, so it was saying even though price is going higher, RSI it's lower. So I got rid of pretty much all of my hot mining, and it kept going high, and after that, you know, we did this plunge once again. And honestly, I wasn't expecting to go that low, but this is a mining company, and yeah, so I did accumulate a little bit more here, and I lately accumulated around this level quite a lot. And now I believe the wave 5 is finished. So just to make a quick recap, so this is a company since 2018, I guess. Yeah, 2018. So we did a wave 1 in 5 way up. We did the A, overshooting wave B like Bitcoin, and now the C. So now if I zoom in a little bit, okay, so we did our lower low in December, January, and since then I did notice that he did a first impulsive movement to the upside, so I was able to draw this 2 downtrend channeling, and yeah, contracting channeling. And after that, so now if I zoom in, so we see something impulsive. Well, I would say here also we had something impulsive, but I was expecting let me check here. Okay, so we had a wave 1, a wave 2, a wave 3. This was a wave 4, and then we started this downtrend channeling. So I did label the 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, and we finally made a lower low for a 5th wave to end this wave C, to end this corrective movement wave 2. So after that, I noticed that we are having this very nice impulsive movement. We had an A, a B, and a C, and I did the Fibonacci retracement, and as you can see, price reacted at this level, and especially at the 0.5 fib retracement, and we're going on the side, and RSI also was going on the side. So I accumulated in this level as well. And now lately we are seeing again a nice impulsive movement to the upside. So I labeled this as a 1, this is a 2, and it reacted very well as a 2. It was very well, considerably long, because since the top, this is the beginning of February, it really skyrocket, well, start to do the impulsive movement in June. So that's very long wave 2. And now by doing the Fibonacci extension, the beginning and the end of the wave 1 to the end of the wave 2, we get here for the third wave a DO retracement. It should be $5.42. No, this is maybe misleading with the box. Let me widen it like that. Okay, so there you go. So this is the level where I'm expecting the wave 3 to complete. This is a stock, so I'm not expecting to go and skyrocket. Maybe also it's going to stop a little bit earlier. Why is that? Because this dotted line, actually I would like to change the color. This is the previous wave 4, so wouldn't be impossible that they go here and then we get the rejection of price, and then maybe this is going to be the wave 4 and going to do the wave 5. So that's another possible option. So my strategy is, yeah, I'm not going to sell any of these for my third wave. I'm going to wait for the fourth wave to go in. And after that, when we go on to this fifth wave, then I'm going to take some profit and wait for the bigger pullback. And then I'm going to get, again, at those lower price. As you can see now, we're being for a while oversold, and momentum, we're still in a good momentum. So yeah, so there is nothing to let me indicate that price cannot go higher for the moment. And also, we had this uptrend channeling that we broke, we tested once again, and then we got rejected, and now we're trying to fight on it. And today we are kind of holding, and even if we had a big dip with Bitcoin, once again thanks to Gary Gensler that rejected the ETFs, but you can see that even if we had that bad news, well, price is still up, so that's great. Yes, it did plunge, but then after it recovered, and then we're still making a higher high compared to the since last year, we're making a high high. So that's another indication, or it can show you that news, yeah, they can affect the price momentarily, but at the end of the day, they're going to do what they're supposed to do. Alright, so this is pretty much all for Hot 8 mining. This is a Canadian stock, but there is a version on the US stock as well. And since they are the same company, the chart is pretty much the same. And yeah, this is another way to invest into crypto indirectly if you want, because you're not really investing into crypto, but you're investing into a normal stock of a company that is mining crypto, right? So at mining, I do follow them, also the fundamentals. And in 2020, 2021, when they got big time rejected, China banned Bitcoin mining in their country, all the mining company they flew out from China, and many they just sold out their miners. And Hot Mining 8, he happily invested and bought all these mining servers, so they double or triple their mining capacity. and yeah, now they're up and running, and I think that they keep adding servers. They are not selling any other bitcoins. They are profitable. I think they were making 1.5 or 3 bitcoin per day or something like that, you know. So just just imagine in the a new higher high, this company, how well it's going to be. And I am really convinced that there is a lot of potential for this company. So now, what are the potential of this company? If we talk about that price action, I'm saying. So I did it here somewhere. Oh, here you go. So if I calculate this wave 1 and this as a wave 2, well, the wave 3, actually let me label it. Wave 3, it should go around $26. So it's pretty good. And yeah, wave 5, we're talking something about $41.50. Well, for sure this is a speculative price because we cannot read the future. But compare, well, if everything goes well and Bitcoin is making a new higher high, I don't see why this shouldn't follow, or it can go even higher than that. But we're going to take it one step at a time. So it's a good news now that we broke this downtrend contracting channeling. Now we are about to break this previous wave 4 peak. If we do that, then we, as you can see, I did some draw line here. So beside this wave 4, after that we're going to have to beat the wave 2 here at $8.50. After that the bigger count of wave 4 of $10.55, and after that so on until we need to reach that $16 for the first wave 1. And for sure the overshooting wave B is going to be another challenge because it's about $20.50. So those are the caps that eventually we need to go and challenge. But for the moment, it's looking good. We are having one nice impulsive movement. It doesn't look like he want to give up. He's up and running. And yeah, so this is pretty much all for art mining for today. Please like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell. If you have any questions, drop them in the comments. Have a good day. Bye.